Hello lovelies and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika and this is Mom's Niche Diary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious corn moi moi. Yes, this was made with only fresh corn. Yes, you heard me. Okay, so I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and a mom of 3. Please stay tuned to see how I made this. For this recipe, I'm going to be making use of these fresh corns from my farm. Yeah, I have a farm and I love farming. So let me know if you enjoy farming like me, if you love gardening, just seeing something from a seed turn into this. It's just so amazing. If this is your first time on my channel, please click on the subscribe button and join my family. I would love to have you here. I create content based on motherhood, food, DIY, and lifestyle, and I'm sure that it would inspire you to live intentionally and to enjoy every phase of your life. So if these are the kind of content you like, then please click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Can you see how fresh this corn looks? So fresh, so yummy. So let me know in the comment section, how do you like your corn? Do you like your corn boiled with coconut or boiled with pear? Or do you like it roasted? Or are you like me that was going to make some moi moi from fresh corn? So let me know in the comment section, how do you like your corn? How do you remove your corn? Do you have any hack or any other method that is easier? Please share in the comment section. You know why I love this corn moi moi? It reminds me of Okpa. Yes, and I have a video of Okpa. So if you want to see that video, I will leave the link in the description box below. So feel free to check it out. So this is our corn. I had to do the rest of it off camera. As you can see, it's ready for blending. And I'm going to be taking this to the commercial blender to blend it. So this is me just putting in my shombo and my onions. So I'm going to put this in and it's all going to be blended together. I'm also going to be adding in crayfish. Yep, for that delicious, taste. To make our corn moi moi, we're going to make use of salt and some palm oil and also vegetable oil. You can actually skip the vegetable oil, that's fine. And some shredded fish. You can actually use any protein of your choice. I'll also be using seasoning cube that has been dissolved in some warm water, and of course my packaging bag. The corn has been blended to a very fine consistency, as you can see. So right now I'm going to turn it into a bigger bowl and mix everything together.